So guys, look at the way the buses work here. They're like attached, or they go by these. Yeah, this is Hastings, so this apparently is the street where there is a lot of homeless people here. It's just ridiculous. Oh my gosh, God help them, God help them. Vancouver Aquarium. Nice, oh my God, there's like no parking. We've been driving around, but this one van just pulled out and I'm like, get it, babe, get it before someone. I'm telling you, people will just ram right in, so you gotta be on it, right?
I think these ones definitely showing off. I look at that one. Good morning, guys. We're down for breakfast.
Okay, so hold on. I want it to flick it. Look at this. It's nice. We're on our way. This must be like a little restaurant or something. Yeah. It says breakfast bar this way. Okay. Oh, wow. So I'm making Raj some toast, and there's hash browns and eggs. Ooh, those sausages don't look good for me. They're not done good enough. So I think we're just gonna have eggs, buddy, and toast, eh? Eggs, toast, and some hash brown. Sound good?
Yeah.
Eggs, toast, and hash brown? Okay. What you got, babe? Okay. We got yogurt. Are you enjoying your food? Are you enjoying your food?
Yeah.
Okay. How about you, babe?
Yeah, it's good. I love it.
Yeah. I did get, I'm going to try it. I don't like pork, but I'm going to maybe have a bite or so. Just to try it. So beautiful here. See how it tastes now? We had a good night's sleep. I was up a lot of the night editing a vlog actually, but I ended up getting some sleep.
It's baby girl birthday week, so you know we're out.
One thing about me, I have to have my coffee. And I'm bringing my own cup. I don't want that small little one. I gotta have a big one.
You know she knows her thing when she's getting her sandwich ready for Rajero for later. You always hungry, guys. This boy always hungry. But thank God for babe, she's getting stuff ready for him. You know, I'm still learning the parenting, but my baby mastered it.
Okay, we're out. Where are we going? You don't know, do you? It's a surprise. It's a surprise where we're going.
It's a surprise, babe.
Yeah.
Love you say it's a surprise. Okay, baby. It looks like it's gonna rain today.
Uh-oh.
Hopefully we get good weather. Hopefully
Yeah.
the sun comes out.
Let's hope.
Because, you know, Canada weather is unpredictable, so hopefully we could get some sun and enjoy this beautiful day.
Yeah. I think the hair product worked. My hair's not so bad, eh? It's like kind of calmer.
Yeah.
I think it worked. $100 later. These houses remind me of Halifax, Nova Scotia. There's a lot of houses like this. Certain streets that you're on, you don't know where you're at. You could be anywhere. Like, it reminds you of different places. It definitely reminds me of Halifax, certain streets. So guys, look at the way the buses work here. They're like attached, or they go by these
always see two in a row. It's always two.
And there's wires. They're like, I don't know, connected to wires or something. It's cool.
Oh, they're wired together?
Well, no, but see these wires?
Oh.
Watch when you see, so look at the bus, babe. See the yellow things coming? Can you see that over there? The yellow things are touching the wires.
Oh.
So it's like they go by these wires up in the sky. It's so cool. Or different, I should say. Because I mean, I lived in Halifax. Our buses don't work like that. And of course in Campbell River, the buses are not like that. So it seems like it's just, I mean, even in Toronto, I don't remember, maybe correct me if I'm wrong, guys, but I don't remember even in Toronto, the buses. See the yellow things, babe?
Oh.
See,
yeah.
Going up to the sky? Or going up to the wires, I mean? Yeah.
Connected to something. I don't know what's going on.
I don't know either. But this is Vancouver, guys. This is Hastings. There's looks like homeless people or a shelter or something. Yeah. Yeah.
Kind of resemble New York in a way to me.
Mm-hmm. I've never been to New York, actually.
Yeah, a lot of homeless is in New York, and
I think there's homeless.
it's like crowded and stuff like this too.
Seems like there's homeless people everywhere. If I was a homeless person, I would want to live in this part of BC because, like, look, guys, everywhere else right now in Canada is full of snow, and we are not. So, if I was a homeless person, this would be the place where I would want to live.
You want to be homeless though, babe?
Of course I wouldn't want to be homeless. I'm saying if I happen to be homeless, this would be the place where I would want to live.
Okay.
So, yeah, because it's...
And I pray you never get there.
Me too, me too. But what I'm saying, well, look at this. It's just ridiculous, guys. Look at this guy. This is how they are on drugs. They're just all bent over, falling over on the street. It's just crazy. It's so bad. God. Oh, this is so bad.
It's a lot of them.
Yeah, this is Hastings, so this apparently is the street where there is a lot of homeless people here. It's just ridiculous. Oh my gosh, God help them. God help them. Oh,
It's a
God.
lot of them.
I know, there's so many.
All different race.
And-
Chinese, black, white, everybody's out there.
Yeah. Oh, Jesus. Help them, Lord. Yeah, this is Vancouver. Like I said, we live on an island, Vancouver Island, so it's not a big city like this.
Way different.
Way different, yeah. Look, this is all homeless people waiting for food, and oh, it's just ridiculous, eh? The epidemic. I mean, everyone is just hunched over on drugs everywhere you see. Wow. It's crazy. So guys, we haven't told you where we're going yet.
We're going to the aquarium.
We're going to the big aquarium in Vancouver. Yeah. So babe, you're gonna go see some animals, some fishes. We're taking you to a big, big aquarium. So you're gonna see lots of different fishes, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. See the big tall buildings, Raj?
Yeah.
We're in Vancouver. This is a big city called Vancouver.
Yeah.
Okay. Line are good for me. That's good for me.
So, Stanley Park. The aquarium is in Stanley Park or near Stanley Park. And Stanley Park is one of the biggest tourist attractions here in Vancouver. So hopefully we'll get to see both Stanley Park and the aquarium.
Do you see all the cars, Raj?
The boats?
Do you see all the boats?
See all the boats?
Look at all the boats, Papa.
Oh my goodness.
4, 5,
It's hard to count all of them.
7, 8, 9, 10.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
It's good that you see all the boats. Yeah.
400 meters, turn left to stay on Addison Way.
Vancouver Aquarium. Guys, oh my god, there's like no parking. We've been driving around, but this one van just pulled out, and I'm like, get it, babe, get it before someone. I'm telling you, people will just ram right in, so you gotta be on it, right?
On it.
So anyway, I'm gonna go pay. It looks like I have to pay on at this. I'll show you. Hold on. Where's babe? Oh, he's locking the car. So yeah, we gotta go pay at this little kiosk thing here for parking, and we got 10 minutes to get to the aquarium. I think we'll be right on time.
So guys, finally we're at the aquarium. Vancouver Aquarium. Nice little adventure for Rajero, right? Yeah.
Don't get in.
You like it, Pops?
Yeah.
Oh yeah?
Oh, don't get in, honey. We don't want you to get wet. Come on, let's go in and see the.
Kids, man. So we're heading in now.
Let's get someone take our picture right there.
Hmm?
Let's get someone to take our picture in front of it.
Of course. Finally we are inside. Look how beautiful it is. Nice. The tropics.
Hey, do you want to try to get some charge?
Pacific Canada guest service, huh? Yeah, we should.
Okay,
Guys, our camera is dying.
Hold
Oh
on,
dear,
Raj.
she came out another day and didn't charge it. It's a pretty big.
Right, let's see.
Alright, so we're in the aquarium.
So pretty.
It's beautiful. Oh my. This one probably been living for a very long time. Look at that.
Let's Let's go see the big birds. Come in here for a second. Come here, babe.
Okay. Ooh. Ooh.
Snakes in here. Oh, goodness, look at the birds. Come see the pretty birds.
What's these birds called again?
These ones are scarlet abyss.
Oh, yeah, scarlet ibis. Yeah.
Scarlet abyss.
Yeah, the colors are nice on them.
Pretty, eh?
Yeah.
Are they pretty? Yeah.
That's a turtle over there.
Turtle.
That's
Look
a
at the
turtle.
turtle. See the turtle?
See the turtle, Raj?
Wow. Look, and there's one in his house right here. Look right there. There's one in his house right there. See?
Yeah, that's one over there in that thing.
Or some kind of an enclosure.
What's inside here? They said 115 for the class?
For the movie, a 4D movie.
Okay. Yeah, it's 7 past right now. So. What's those? Those are baby monkeys, it seems.
It's hard to see because he's fast. He's really fast.
Oh, yeah.
Look at the snake. Look at the snake. Oh, wow.
Got that, Raj?
And look at the little blue frogs. See the little tiny baby blue frogs?
These are cool. Those are cool.
I see the snake. Look at the snake.
Yeah. If you look up from here, you see it.
These fish are unique.
Oh, wow. Look, Rajero.
It's beautiful. Oh. So here is where we're going, baby?
Exit the range. Yeah,
Our bats keep.
okay, we'll find it somewhere. Oh, look at the big ones over here. Did we see those?
Yeah, I catch it.
Okay.
Oh, that's a unique fish.
Look at these ones. What are these, Rajero? What are these called?
It's a, yeah, he knows it. It's a jellyfish.
No, they are. They're so cool.
These are jellyfish, guys. Oh. Different jellyfish. It's pretty cool. Theater of BC Coast. This
Excuse
one.
me? Is
The-
the theater in there?
Yeah.
Okay, thanks.
The guys were going in the theater.
Whoa.
Guys, look at this. This is beautiful. Is these jellyfish also?
What?
Is these jellyfish also?
Those are jellyfish.
Oh wow. Jellyfish.
Hey, look at these jellyfish.
They say you have different types of jellyfish, eh? These are nice too.
Beautiful, hey? Aren't they pretty, Mama? And people say there's no God. Look at this beauty. Wow, there's just so much different things that are created.
Yeah, that's nice. Moving away. It's like, don't video me. Guys, this is a nice eel. It's a nice size eel. He's a big. Wonder how much years he's been living.
Hey,
Yes, baby.
I'm wondering if the theater. Hold on a second.
You said 115, right?
Excuse me. Is the theater? Like, I'm just trying to forget us all. Like, where's the theater? Oh, right here.
So guys, we were supposed to go into a 3D movie,
4D.
4D movie, and we missed it by 1 minute. So now we gotta wait on the other one to come around. The other one is 1:45. So Rajero, find yourself in that boat steering it and stuff. Oh my god. So we just have to sit here and wait. There's nothing we can do.
One good thing I like is my husband is so patient.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Rajero help with that. He make me have to exercise patience.
I am
man.
so blessed to have such a patient husband because I don't have. I get like anxiety and I get like I'm excited like, but you're always very calm.
You know what?
It's
I
like,
go through
oh,
too much
wow,
pressure
we
already
missed it.
while growing up and stuff to be all worked up over simple things. It's like now it doesn't worth it anymore. So yeah.
He's just so calm. Yeah. Oh well, we gotta wait another half hour. It's okay. Oh, the phone was dead. That's all right. I'll just sit here and plug it in, and it's okay.
Guys, the glasses are on because we're going now 4D movie theater.
Look at
Let's get you, Papa.
look at Daddy.
Okay. All right.
Okay, where are we gonna sit?
We could
Where
go.
do you guys wanna sit?
Hey, we could go. I don't care.
Over here. In the middle.
I can pick the best spot.
Okay, you pick the best spot as long as it's not the first.
That's focus. He's focused, guys. One Raj. Guys, we're waiting on this to start.
It didn't start yet.
No, it's not.
Theater, and today you're gonna watch the Great Seminar. But before we start the movie, I must let you know the movie may not be suitable for those with photo sensitivity. So if you feel that you need to leave during the session, please use the doors at the top of the theater, and also ask you to put away any kind of food, drinks, and electronics. Thanks so much, and I hope you enjoy the movie.
Guys, so we're finally out of the 4D movie. It was all about the salmon and the bears catching the salmon. I think we showcase a video like that on our channel
I know.
before.
I was thinking it was pretty cool.
But
that the
it's
whole...
nice, you know.
Yeah.
It got so much adventurous thing in it. The bubbles coming out in the theater. You got water splashing on it. It's so real, right? So
Rumbling under the seat.
rumbling under the seat, water splashing under your feet. It's like, oh my god. So it's cool but a bit scary, if you
Yeah.
understand. Yeah, and you feel like you are a part of it. So that was what it's all about. I couldn't get to video it Basically because they said to put away all the electronics and stuff. So
And it would have been blurry anyway. You had to have glasses to see it properly.
exactly. So
But it looked like the fish were right in front of us and the bears were right in front of us.
It's a small
But
inside.
I thought it was really cool because, like Babe said, we had just finished watching the bears eating the salmon. And then we got a full 15-minute video informing us how, like, more information and stuff about how to salmon and bears.
how was the movie?
Did you like it?
Yeah. Were you scared? Yeah.
Wheel.
Whoa. Got that one. The water is not smelling the best, but I mean these guys are cool.
Look at that. They're huge.
These guys are nice. Okay, sir. That way you're hungry? What's going on? And he's making a lot of noise. Oh, whoa, this one is massive. It's massive. Okay.
See the lion? The sea lion? They're huge, right?
You want to jump in, Pops? You want to go in with them?
Yeah.
Can you swim?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's take your clothes off and you jump in.
Oh, look, I wonder if we can see them somewhere, like...
Yeah, let's check out over that side. Okay.
Oh, look, we can go down there, too.
Welcome to Canada Wild Pacific. Okay.
So let's see.
Let's check out these guys over here, babe. Them guys are cool too. These look like the baby ones. You know, they separate the babies from the... I don't know, I'm just assuming. They separate the babies from the adult ones. So guys, these ones look like the babies.
They're the otters, I think.
They're the what? Otters?
Are they seals? Oh, I guess they are seals. You're right, you're right. What am I talking about? Where are we going?
Oh my God, Rajero, he's leading the charge.
On a tour?
Let's go over here, babe. See what's going on over here.
Come this way first, and then we'll go back over here.
Wow, marine mammals rescue exhibit.
Oh, there's a show. Let's go see the show.
These ones are pretty cool too. They're cooling out.
Equipment, and that is so that we can check on their health and make sure all of their internal organs are nice and healthy. So it's something that Kim can work on during her training sessions. So when the vet team do actually want to carry out these ultrasounds or things like x-rays, it's something she's used to doing every day in her training sessions. It's not something new or scary. And as you can see, Kim is working on that doing really well here today. She's getting used to having all those people around her and having that equipment touching her body, which is pretty cool to get to see.
Oh my God, look at that one.
Next
Massive.
up on the dock then, we have Senor Cinco. He's just hopped back into the water. As I mentioned again, he is a California sea lion, a little bit different to the rest. And Senor Cinco is actually completely blind. He has lost all of his vision. Because when he was rescued, he was found with gunshot wounds to his face and head. So he had been shot. So he lost all of his vision because of this injury. And he's also missing some of his important canine teeth. So he was not able to be released. He, again, can't see at all. Thankfully, he was able to be fully rehabilitated apart from his eyesight, and he is doing really well. And you'll see that he can still take part in Dory.
You're cold.
And Dory,
No,
once
no,
you
I
figure out
just wanted to see
all
what
enough,
else is over
Dory was
here,
born
that's
to
all.
be healthy and absolutely
Where them guys? They
so
little
really
too much.
to be released out into the ocean. So Donnelly was deemed non-releasable.
Careful, Pops. He's doing his own thing. Okay, freestyling. He's freestyling away. Guys, I think these ones definitely showing off. I look at that one. Wagging his tail. Going around and around, putting on a show. Okay, buddy. It's pretty cool though. Thank you for a show.
Look at Rajero. Look at Rajero. He's
Hey, beautiful.
hey.
Look at him.
I don't think he's supposed to be
Look
there.
at this guy. Papa, that's the risk factor. Come down. Hey, Papa. It's work with him. Oh my God.
Ireland boss, and me represent for Akeen and Jenn. And you know them YouTube channel, so me I tell you no, and me I send you no, if you go like, share, comment, and subscribe. You know why? It's a winning season. The pass wasn't clear. No tables are turned with about half dozen cheer. You know what I mean?